Yeah. So let us start the session. Online team, is my voice is clear? Okay. So let us start. Kindly spare few minutes. Let me prepare running notes for you. 5:30. Come here. Today also the topic name is called as a math 66 and date 5. All right. Explain debugging also important that I should not postpone. Yeah. Any extra libraries? No, right? As of now? Yeah. Good. Yeah, we done these are all stuff. We'll do one thing. When it comes now here, do one thing, sir. Pandas project. I'm just trying to opening the column name. Pandas projects. And let me share you the first project actually. Uh, Look at me, everyone, please. If I say project means project having EDA plus machine learning. What it is having? Plus machine learning. Machine learning you can ignore as of now, and just try to understand. This is already e-commerce data set. We already worked with the same data set actually. uh, they have nicely implemented, man. Based on here we can say this is really nice or not. Let me show you. These are all required libraries. You can ignore sklearn, 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 and you can ignore numpy, pandas you can import, including visualization also you can import actually. Other things you can ignore. Talk with me. Can somebody tell me what is this one? Loading the data set. What is the data set name? Data.csv. We know, right? Seems to be. What is the first column name? Invoice number. Next one, stock code. Yeah, good. And you can play with this data set. Really nicely they explained. This project having EDA plus machine learning. This project having what exactly? But what is your target actually? Understand only EDA. If you are unable to understand any step, it's okay. Hold that one and spend some time. What it is actually. Can I share this project with you? Go today onwards. Take this project, and I'm just trying to keeping it running notes actually. Please, you have to do this type of projects also. This one it takes for you minimum 1 day actually. You already know, but observe what extra they done actually. They done some extra operations also, and walk through the theory. Sir, real time requirements, they will give the data set, and nice theory they have given. Nice theory. You guys need to understand what is a problem statement, and what is this one, what is the object of this project actually. What all things we done, data cleaning and transformation, feature engineering. Maybe this week we are going to enter. Next one is data pre-processing. We'll see. Hmm? Can you walk through? Good. Kindly please walk through this one. Today onwards, let me share the projects also. Maybe I will give this one again on when the next project will, Thursday. Let me give again on Thursday. Kindly remind me. Daily, please execute one project. That literally helps you. Are we done this? Are we done? Next one, regression and R squared, running topic. And what is the next topic? Next topic name is a residual. What is the topic name, sir? Residual. Residual, it is the upcoming topic. And it is okay. You can ignore as of now. Let's focus on this. Let me check with online team one more time. Online team, can you hear me? I hope my voice is clear. I'm continuing this session. Good. Let us continue. Hmm. Sir, yesterday, assuming that would have a two columns, would have a data set. From the data set, we are getting a data frame. We are getting what exactly? If I say data set, keep in mind that sales1.csv. Technically speaking, that we need to call as a data set or CSV file. Or what exactly? From CSV file, what you are getting actually? Data frame. Good. So assuming that there is a data frame and that data frame having area, and next one is what exactly? Rice packs. What is that one? Rice packets actually. 1, 10. Next one 2, 20. 3, 30. 4, 40. Good. Though we already know the relation, if area is increasing, rice packets also will increase. We well known, we already understand area and what exactly, sir? Rice pack columns are having relationship each other. Can I say that one? But technically, how to prove? How to prove actually? Talk with me. How to prove? Yeah, there are two ways. First one, by using visualization. Very good. Second one, by using correlation. If I say visualization, can I say scatter plot actually? What is that one, sir? Scatter plot. And if I say correlation, yeah, there are two things. The first one will be what is the direction? First one is what exactly? What is the strength? What is that one actually? Strength. Either it is a very strong relationship, strength. Either it is a strong, average, no relationship. These are all things actually. Next one is what exactly, sir? Direction. Direction means upward. Very good. Can somebody talk with me? What is the values actually? Correlation? -1 to, yeah, -1 to what exactly? +1. Yesterday we have seen. Hmm? Good. Now the today topic name is a regression and regression line. You can also call it as a regression line actually. Are you with me? Good. One point you need to understand. What is the point you know? Regression. Regression line. Correlation is representing with what letter? Very nice. Good. Uh, if two variables are related each other, then we can draw we can draw a line over the data. We can draw a line over what exactly, sir? Data. Read everyone. If two variables are related each other, then we can draw a line over the data. Okay, good. Hold on. Let me explain about my village actually. Assuming that my village like this. Imagine this is y-axis, this is one dimension, this is x-axis actually. Initially, first time there was one house here actually. My father started explaining in my village only one house. Next one, here is another house, and here is another house. Slowly by slowly, what exactly happened, Control Z, and slowly by slowly all houses, so it is started coming to each other actually, each other. Am I right? Good. Now, though on an average minimum some 300 houses came. How many houses came? And it always supposed to start from one house actually. One, two, three, four, five, keep on, it is increasing actually. Then government, I mean a kind of some government, a rural government, it is started noticing this one. Though the village is increasing, let us help from our side so that they can collect the tax. Am I right? Yeah, that's the mere motto. Then now let me tell you, let me ask a question. Definitely, they're planning for establishing one road actually. They're planning for establishing what exactly? Road. Which road is the best? You do let me know. This one is the first road. This one is the second road. This one is what exactly? Third road actually. Which one is the first one? Which one is the best one? Yeah, the road which is traveling over the village. Am I right? Frankly speaking, this is called as a regression line. This is called as what exactly? Regression line. If you scatter the data, over the data you can draw a line. Over the data you can draw what exactly? You may ask a question, what is the need of drawing a line? Hold on, I will cover. First of all, understand this one. So there is a x-axis. There is what exactly, sir? X-axis and y-axis. On x-axis I am taking area, on y-axis I am taking rice packets actually. Yeah, whenever we are plotting this one, we are getting like this. The data points will be, we are getting like this actually. What we can do, over this data, if you want, you can draw a line. Indirectly, this line is called as a regression line. This line is called as what exactly? Regression line. Good. There are many names. First one is, regression line. Next one is best fitted line, best fitted line, fitted line. Third name will be prediction line. Third name will be what exactly? Prediction line. Come on, talk with me. That line is called as a regression line, best fitted line, prediction line. Like this would have a different names actually. Okay, are you getting? Good. Now today's session, I will show you how to draw a line over the data. I will show you how to draw a line over the data. Practically, we will see in a machine learning. Practically, we will see in what exactly? Machine learning. Regression and R squared. I'm going to help you from this topic, from this material. 2 points you are going to learn. Two subtopics actually. First subtopic name is called as a regression line. What is the first topic name? Second topic name is a R squared value. What value? R squared value. Get ready to understand. Yeah, first one is a correlation. We already know this one. Correlation explains about how we measure the direction and strength of linear relationship in between what exactly? Quantitative variable. I mean to say that on x-axis numbers we have taken, on y-axis numbers also we have taken. Are you with me? Good. Then we have plotted the data like this actually. Whenever you are plotting the data like this, how we can plot the data? By using scatter plot. By using what exactly? Scatter plot. Good. Now move to the next one. Regression. Regression explains about how we can draw. Yeah, this line represents about the pattern of the data. This line represents about what exactly? Pattern of the data. Pattern means you can find out somewhere there is a good relationship, somewhere there is no relationship, like that actually. This is also called as a regression line. This is also called as what exactly? Regression line. Indirectly, this line is helping us, even though if here there is no data point actually, on x-axis what is the value, on y-axis what is the value, we can do prediction actually. Are you getting everyone? Good. Let me tell you. Let me give one more nice analysis. Assuming that, sir, these are all houses. These are all houses which is very near, which is very near. Good. Please focus. These are all group of houses actually. Good. So on an average 300 houses. How many houses? 300 houses. Then let us talk about demote owner. I hope you know. Don't ask who is the demote actually. Good. Then talk with me. Demote, will they plan near to this one, or else they will plan here actually? Yeah, I mean to say that I would like to say here and here and here. If they're establishing demote to near to this location, no doubt at all, the profits will be really very good actually. People no need to travel long time actually. Am I right or not? Good. Next one, regression line. Regression line. You can ignore this theory. You no need to be worried. I will explain slowly by slowly. This is just a theory. Yeah, it's a very simple. If you want, I can tell you. If X value is increasing, automatically Y value will be increase. If X value is decreasing, automatically Y value also decrease. Keep in mind that. That point you need to understand. I would like to say X axis, Y axis. And one more point. Can somebody talk with me? Area where you're plotting on where exactly? X axis, right? Remember one thing, X should be capital. X should be what exactly? As per the terms and condition, as per the syntax. Like how the name of the class, how the name of the class started with the capital letter, X should be, input is always capital letter. Input is always what exactly? Capital letter. That is a rule. And output should be lowercase. Output should be what exactly? This I can cover later. Let's move on. In machine learning, I will focus more actually. Yeah, now please focus. Example, regression line. If you increase the study time, I mean, let us just try to plot study time on x-axis and a grade on y-axis. Then we should access, we should access some positive relationship in between the two variables actually. Generally speaking, If you study more, then what exactly, sir? You will get a good grade actually. Yeah, I mean to say that study time and getting the grade, having the relationship actually. Instead of studying, if you spend more time on Facebook actually, then we'll get what exactly? Negative relationship. What relationship actually? I'm repeating again. The topic name is called as a regression line. What is the topic name? This topic depend upon correlation. This topic depend upon what exactly? What we discussed yesterday. Okay, I will show you practical. Yeah, you no need to remember, but let me tell you. Regression line. We do have a formula. We do have what exactly, sir? Formula. Yeah, this formula we need to read like this actually. Y cap. What is that one? Y cap equals to B0 plus B1 of X. This is also called as say Y equals to MX plus C. Y equals to what exactly? MX plus C. There are many notations actually. If anyone is not coming from math background, don't worry, sir. Not important actually. Yeah, y cap equals to b0 plus b1 of x. Next one. So here, what is the y cap? Y cap, this is having the special name. That name is called as a predicted value. What is that name? Predicted value. B0 is called as a intercept. What is that one? Intercept. B1 is called as a slope. B1 is called as what exactly? Slope. X is called as a input value. X is called as what exactly? Input value. Yeah, according to this one, I am telling this is the output, boss. This is the intercept. This is the slope. This is the any input value actually. All right. Now look at the diagram. Look at the diagram. I will tell you. You talk with me. Read this one, everyone. Y cap equals to B0 plus B1 of X. One more time. Y cap equals to B0 plus B1 of X. Here, Y cap is called as a grade name. I am planning to predict the grade actually. So and so person. Now, X equals to study time. This X means input, sir. Y cap means output actually. Y cap means what exactly? Output actually. Hold on. Now, yeah, this B0 is called as a intercept. When I say B0, you have to, remember this point actually. When I say B1, B1 is called as a slope. B1 is called as what exactly? Also called as a coefficient. Also called as what exactly? These are all terminology you may not understand as of now. Online team, is anyone is touching the settings actually? I mean, otherwise, let me talk with admin team. Admin, are you with us? I'm not sure. Settings are keep on changing actually. All right. Good. So talk with me, sir. Read the formula one more time. Y bar, Y cap or Y bar, anything we can say. Y cap equals to B0 plus B1 of X. One practical example we'll see. Don't worry. Then to find out the intercept, there is another formula. B0 equals to Y bar or Y cap minus what exactly? B1 of X bar. Any idea how you got this one? Yeah, simple, sir. This value we brought it to this direction actually. That's it. Right? If you bring this value towards to this direction, here a positive value, this side it will become negative value actually. Right? Please. Yeah. Basic math actually. Then I mean to say that B0, this is the formula. Same thing like that. B1 means R into S of Y divided by S of X actually. Can somebody talk with me? What is R value? Very good. S of Y means? Yeah. Yeah, good. I'm repeating again. Generally, this is the formula. What is my formula? I'm planning for to do the prediction for GPA. Then definitely we should know how many hours a student is going to spend. Along with this one, B0 value also you should know. B1 value also you should know actually. Okay. Let me tell you one thing. If you understand yesterday correlation topic, I mean, if you wanted to understand this one, you should know correlations topic yesterday actually. Practically, let me show you. Get ready. We are going to work on this example. We are planning to draw a correlation actually. Correlation and at the same time regression line. Are you with me? Good. Please observe this one. There is a person, George, study time 1 hour. And what is the GPA score? 2.0. GPA means assuming that kind of some MSET score, something like that. Or else some TOEFL, these are all correct. IELTS, something. Next person, 2 hours, 1.5. Next person, 3 hours, 2.5. Sophia, 5 hours, 3.5. Can I say, if study time is increasing, automatically what is increasing, sir? GPA is increasing. Can I say there is a relation? This we already understand, but how to prove practically? In two ways. First one by using visualization, second one by using correlation. After find out the relation, we can draw a line. We can draw what exactly? Line. That line is called as a regression line. That line is called as what exactly? Regression. Get ready. If anyone didn't attend yesterday's session, I'm sorry, you cannot understand today's session. I recommend you guys need to walk through yesterday's session, then only you can understand today's session. Okay, good, no worries. Now, predicts the student's GPA. Let me tell you exactly the use case will be. What is the use case, you know? So this is, we do have a data, and at front desk, there is a reception having this data actually. Instead of student name, suddenly one student came, and that student is asking, and he is telling, can you do let me know how much GPA score I'm going to get actually? Then definitely from front desk reception, he will ask one question. What is the question? You know, do let me know per day how many hours you will spend actually. Per day how many hours you will spend. Then if we say 5 hours, then what is the score actually? 3.5. If we say 5.5, if we say what exactly? Still that reception can give some score actually. What is that score? Talk with me. 3.3, 3.2, something like that. Am I right or not, sir? Good, good. Yeah, let's move on. Now study time, GPA. And the study time we are going to plotting over, x-axis actually, and the value what we are going to take, this we are going to take on y-axis, x-axis value and y-axis. On x-axis we are taking study time, on y-axis we are taking what value? GPA. Team getting? Yeah. Now focus, come on, please focus. 2.0. Can I say in between 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 respectively? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. Now x value is the 1. Yes, x value is the 1. Y value how much is, sir? 2.0. Can I say this is the point actually? Good. Next one. 2 on the x-axis, 1.5 on what exactly? Y-axis. Can I say this is the data point? Like this, all points plotted actually. You talk with me. There is a relation, right? The way how the data is, traveling, definitely there is a relationship actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Hold on. Now, yes, we can draw a regression line like this actually. How to draw that regression line, I will tell you actually. First of all, I hope you already know this one. How to, plot these all data. Now, get ready. Y cap equals to B0 plus B1 of X. Come on, talk with me. Y cap equals to B0 plus B1 of X actually. Hold on. Now, then definitely, we do have a respective values. Y X bar we can calculate. Y bar we can calculate. S of X means? Come on, standard deviation of Y. R means? Sir, what is R value? 0.9. Let me tell one more time. What is R? Look at the screen, please. What is R value? 0.9 actually. 0.9 means strong relation. That point you need to understand actually. Okay. I mean to say that here oral conversation, oral confirmation. But this is what exactly standard confirmation. I mean, there is a relationship actually. That too strong relationship. What relationship? Strong relationship. Good. Now hold on. Let us just try to calculate B0 value. Next one is what value? B1 value. Sir, I'm repeating again. Please look at my screen actually. I'm just trying to telling what is the GPA score. GPA score. If you want GPA score, if you want GPA score, the formula will be GPA score equals to B0. I'm sorry, B0 plus B1 into what exactly? Study hours. B1 into what exactly? Study hours actually. Hours we know very well. Am I right? Hours we can give any value, but B0 value we don't know. B0 value what exactly? We don't know. That there is a formula. Same thing like that. B1 value we don't know. Then there is a formula. By using this formula, let's get the value. Let's get what exactly? Value. And by using this formula, let's get the value. Let's get what exactly, sir? Value. Then this value and this value, and if you know ours actually, then we can do prediction for GPS score. We can do prediction for what exactly? Are you getting? Good. Now let me tell you, from the front desk actually, suddenly one student came and he is asking how much GPS score I'm going to get. Then madam will ask, do let me know how many hours you will spend actually. Then that student told 5 hours. How many hours actually? 5 hours. Then substitute, can somebody help me? Take this value and you can just try to here. Hours, what is the value? 5. Do you think we are going to get a value? No, still two more values are pending. What are those value? B0, B1. That values we are defining actually. Understand my pen? Are you getting? Please let me drink water. Online team, can I get a response? So please walk through this one. B0 equals to y bar minus b1 into x bar. Then b0 depending upon b1. Then first calculate the b1 value. What is the b1 value? R into s of y divided by s of x actually. We can do like that. Then we got b1 value. What is how much? 0.311. Good. I hope you know how you got it. This one actually here we need to substitute. What is our value? 0.94 into s of y. What is the value? 1.08 divided by what is the value? What is the value? 3.26. You know, right? Yeah. All values we have to impute. Then move on to the next discussion. Yeah, we got B0 value. Next one is what exactly? B1 value. Tell me, sir, B0 value, B1 value. Then can I substitute here? Can I substitute here? Then we are going to get a prediction line. We are going to get what exactly? Prediction line. Here onwards. Hold on. Look at my screen. What is the formula, sir? Talk with me. GPA underscore score equals to tell me B0 plus B1 of hours actual. Can I say X means hours? Very good. Suddenly one student came in and he is telling how much GPA score I'm going to get. He is asking how much GPA score he is asking actually. Then definitely madam will ask, do let me know how many hours you are going to spend. Then the student replied 5 hours actually. Student replied how many hours? Now madam knows B0 value. What is the B0 value, sir? 1.45. Talk with me. 1.45. B1 value. What is the value? 0.311. 0. What exactly? This is seriously amazing. Means indirectly, this equation is helping. Now, what you need to understand, come on. Let me tell you, this is the important interview question. Please focus. Sir, if you're having the data, if you're having what exactly? Data means what data would you have as of now? Can somebody talk with me? GPA score, and next one is what exactly? Hours study. Am I right? Good. Then, when you're talking about the math actually, it will create formula. By using the data, it will create formula. By using the data, it will create what exactly? Formula. But if you're applying machine learning, it will create model. That's the difference between math and machine learning actually. See, we are having the data, then we got a equation. We got what exactly? Formula actually. We got what exactly? Formula. Are you with me? Good. If you want, I'm repeating one more time. Assuming that we do have a lot of data like this, lot of data like this actually, lot of data. Then over this one, you applied math. You applied what exactly, sir? Math actually. Then this math will travel over this data. This math will travel over this data, over this data, over this data, over this data. Then finally, what math will, it will do? Math will give the formulas. Give what exactly? Formulas. Array man, I have walked through the data. Here onwards, take these formulas. Regarding this data, if you need any prediction, substitute your values actually. Did you understand? Good. This is the math actually. But over the data, if you apply machine learning, if you apply what exactly, sir? Machine learning, ML algorithm will walk through this data, will walk through this data, will walk through this data. Then ML algorithm will give the model. ML algorithm will give what exactly? Model. Even if you didn't understand, don't worry. Later I can explain. Let me repeat one more time. If you are having the data, math will bring formulas. Math will bring what exactly? Formulas. If you are having the data, ML algorithms will create model. ML algorithms will create what exactly? Model actually. Are you getting? Good. Keshwa sir, let me tell you. You know, S of X means standard deviation of X. S of Y means what exactly? Standard deviation of Y. Let me ask to everyone actually, everyone. Instead of I need to answer, sir. If you didn't answer, tell me how to answer this one. Can I say this is the standard deviation actually? Good. Go back where we covered actually. Yeah, here we covered how to calculate the standard deviation actually. Am I right? Walk through the chapter number 1. You have to reply like that actually. Right? Read chapter exactly. Yeah, chapter 2 actually. Keshwa, did you understand? Srikant, I can cover later actually. Why? Because we need some deep dive. Later I can cover. Keshwa sir, I hope you understand. Let's move on. Seems to be we have missed math sessions actually initially. Please. All right. Good. Let's move on. Yeah, we can substitute actually. Come on, please. Now tell me, generally what is the formula? Y cap equals to B0 plus B1 of X actually. Am I right? Now what is the B0 value? 1.45. B1 value? Now X means what exactly? Hours. X means what exactly? Now with the plotted data in our hand, we do have a formula. In our hand, what would you have? Formula. Now this formula you can use for the prediction of Y value. This formula we can use for the prediction of what exactly? Y value actually. Now let me show you what exactly I mean to say. Good. Kindly please look at this diagram. I will explain one more time. B0 means, can I say intercept actually? Talk with me, sir. B1 is called as a slope, also called as a coefficient, also called as what exactly? Coefficient. Later I can tell what is that one actually. Now look at this one. Y cap equals to B0 plus B1 of X. Now look at this one. Indirectly, what this formula will tell, as study time increases by the 1 unit, we predict a student GPA increase to what exactly? 0.311. Indirectly, this value is talking about, are boss, if you increase 1 unit, like a 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, then automatically, your score will be increased. How much accuracy actually? 0.3%. How much actually? 0.3%. Are you getting? Good. Now please observe here. Yeah, suddenly for the front desk, a student came like this actually, right? And he is telling, per day I can give 6.5 hours. How many hours actually? 6.5 hours. Let me know how much score I'm going to get. Then this 6.5, where the madam supposed to submit actually, substitute here. Am I right? Yeah, you talk with me. Y bar equals to 1.45 plus 0.311 into, tell me sir. Yeah, 6.5. I mean to say that, can I say here somewhere the value is available? Then over this one, we may get a what exactly, Yeah, 6.5. Then cross check the score actually. What is the score, sir? 3.47. 3 point what exactly? Conclusion of the story. If you know X value, if you know what exactly, even we can do the prediction for Y value. You can do prediction for what exactly? Y value. Guys, are you getting? Good. Let me tell you. Come on. Area rice packets. I would like to say this is X value. This what exactly? y value. Then 1, 10, just for your better understanding, 2, 20, 3, 30, 4, 40. Actually, am I right? Now tell me, 5, what is the result? 5, what is the result? 50 actually. Very good. Now let me tell you. Delete this one. Directly I'm asking, tell me what is the 5 for, what is the result actually? We don't. That's what you need to understand. If you know the some data like x-axis and y-axis, if you don't know unknown data, that we can do the prediction actually. That we can do the prediction. Are you getting everyone? Right, good. I mean to say that if you know the data in the sense what exactly 110, 220, next one is what exactly 330, next one is 440, then you can do the prediction for other values actually. If you wanted to do the prediction, then definitely we should know previous data. We should know what exactly. Best example, sir. Tomorrow I just wanted to know Amazon how many sales actually. Then ensure that last 1 year sales you should know from the Amazon actually. Am I right? Good. Yeah. Studies for 6.5, something like that. Exactly 6.5. It is keep on dot actually and dot 3.47. 3 point what value? 47 actually. I will give high level explanation one more time. Please focus. Now the next value is called as a R squared value. What is the next value? Before going to this one, go back and let me just try to explain. Just 1 minute. Sir, the topic name is called as a regression line. What is the topic name? First of all, this topic depend upon the correlation. This topic depend upon what exactly? If I say correlation, dependent variable is required, independent variable is required. X is required, Y is required. What is required? X is required, Y is required. What do you mean by regression line? If two variables are having relationship each other, plot the data. Over the data you can draw a line. Over the data you can draw what exactly? Line. That line is called as a regression line. That line is also called as a prediction line. That line is also called as a very good best fitted line. What is that one? Best fitted line. Just try to see. Simple. We are taking in such a way that yes, we have taken two variable here, x-axis I have taken, y-axis I have taken. Then you can find out the correlation. Yes, of course. Over the data, you can draw a line. This line is called as what exactly? Regression line. What is that line? Seems to be small diagram, but here x value is available, y value is available, correlation topic involved. Next one is regression line. On an average, 4 topics involved actually. How many topics? 4 topics. That too scatter plot. That too what exactly? Scatter plot. Many topics are got involved actually. చెప్పండి ఏంటి సార్? ఇక్కడ లేదండి. ఉంది 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 ఇదిగా ఆన్లైన్ టీమ్ హోల్డ్ ఆన్. గుడ్. Let's move on. Good. This point you need to understand. So generally, if x increases, automatically y increases. If x decreases, automatically y decreases. Means if one variable is impacting, other variable automatically impact. That point you need to understand, man. If one variable you are changing, get ready, other variable will reflect actually. Other variable what exactly? Reflect. Good. Example, we are taking on x-axis hours, we are taking on y-axis, we are taking some GPS score. Then generally speaking, if you study more, I mean to say if you study more, then automatically, if you want, I will give one small diagram. Look at my screen everyone, please. Look at my screen everyone. uh, this diagram I can explain. Go to machine learning, and there is a image gradient descent. Yeah. Not this one, sir. I need image. Yeah. Assuming that I have plotted the data. Assuming that this is I have plotted the data. Over the data, we are drawing a line. Over the data, we are drawing what exactly? Line actually. Yeah. Initially, we plotted the data. We are drawing the line. How we are drawing that I can explain later actually. First understand. Just try to see. Almost 200 iterations required actually. Just try to see. Initially, the line was drawn in downward direction. That is not a best fitted line. Then automatically, slowly by slowly, what is that? What is happening actually? The line is traveling towards to near to the data. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Once the line fits for the data, once the line fits for the data, then the line stopped traveling actually. Did you understand? Good. In machine learning we can do like this. I will show you. This is the ML machine learning topic actually, but you can sense that. Yeah, on x-axis I have taken the data, y-axis I have taken the data. See here, exactly the formula is same actually. What is the formula here actually? This is a b0 value. This is b1 value in what exactly? X means input. Something like a hours actually. Did you understand? Good. Don't worry, I will cover. These are all topics. Go back. Now simple y cap equals to b0 plus b1 of x, and y cap. See, look at me. If I say y existing output value, if I say y, what is that one? Existing output value. Now just try to come here. Yeah. Now this is the prediction, right? Prediction, right? Good. 50 value. Sir, this 10 is called as a y value, y value, y value, y value. Sir, do you think this 50 is called as a y value? No. Y cap value. What value? Cap. Where is a cap, sir? Hmm? Yeah, exactly this. And cap. Something like a hat actually. Y hat also you can call. What we need to call? Y hat actually. Right. If you're trying to doing prediction, that value is called as a Y hat or Y cap actually. Are you getting? There is a lot of meaning difference between Y and Y cap actually. Y means existing output. Y means what exactly? Existing output. Y cap means predicted output. Y cap means what exactly? Predicted output. I would like to say existing output, and Y cap is called as a predicted output. Slowly by slowly you will understand later on, but digest the terminology. See, yeah, can you kindly please walk through the diagram? I'm sure you understand the explanation. Formula b0 equals to y bar minus b1 into x bar. Y bar means, oh, it's okay, it's okay. b0 equals to y bar minus b1 of x bar actually. Sir, here if I say there is a difference between cap and bar actually. Keep in mind that. It's okay. Let's move on. These are all I can stress in machine learning. I can stress in where exactly? Machine learning. Don't worry. As of now, kindly please walk through. If anyone joined for late, actually, look at my screen. If anyone joined for the late, look at my screen. In a running notes, after Pandas actually, as a promise, the Pandas project, let me just try to give a kind of some assignments actually. And here I have shared the link. Here I have shared what exactly? You guys need to walk through that one. And this link contains two things. One is EDA, next one is machine learning. What is the first one? EDA. What do you mean by EDA? Exploratory data analysis. You need to understand what is that one. Machine learning you can ignore as of now. Machine learning you can ignore as of now, right? Take this URL and you can just try to copy paste here. You will get this link actually automatically, and kindly please walk through. You can just try to understand step by step. Seriously, very good explanation also. Sir, this is a real-time project. You need to spend decent time with the fresh mind actually, minimum 1 hour or 2 hour. Just try to understand the theory, maintain nice running notes they have given. K-means clustering, machine learning, recommended system, machine learning, data pre-processing, feature engineering. Just wait for 2 to 3 days. First to 3 points you will understand very clearly. But out of curiosity, I'm sure table of content, this project can contain lot of stuff, man. Lot of stuff actually. During interview, if anyone is asking, what you've done, what is your roles and responsibility in your project, means these steps you need to explain. Step number one, I done like this. Step number two, role number two, role number three, like this actually. When you can explain, if you done, then you can explain actually. Am I right or not, sir? Now just try to say step one, setup and initialization. Yeah, importing the required libraries. Yeah, I hope from this one the main 2 to 3 libraries actually. What are those libraries? NumPy, Pandas, Seaborn, Matplotlib, Plotly. You can ignore. And can I say till here very well actually? Yeah. Then import only those things. Other things you can ignore literally. I hope this line also you know, sir. Am I right? What is that one? Filter warnings actually. Am I right? Good. Then move to the next step. Then this you can ignore. Literally you can ignore. Then this one also not required. Then loading the data set. What is this one? Loading the data set. Yeah, just try to see. Ah, df equals to pd dot read underscore csv. Many times we done. Many times, not even one time actually. Good. Then you can delete these are all stuff. Then what is the data set name? Like we worked with the same data set actually. If you want this data set, you can download from this location. You can click on import. You can click on what exactly import, and here you can click on this one. Here download symbol, you can download. Download symbol, you can download actually. It will be get download. Are you with me? Now click on notebook. Uh, Loading the data set till that step actually. Yeah, I hope you know. Then data set description and explanation. Nice explanation. What is the first one, second one, third one? Nicely they have explained actually. Okay, sir. Very nice point. Let me cover. There is a column. Column name is called as a invoice number. One more time. Invoice number. If you want, you can cross verify. Whenever you are checking the data type actually, what is the data type for invoice number? Any idea? Yeah, now it should be object actually. Why object? You know, if you cross verify this invoice number, somewhere there is a letter C. For few transactions, there is a letter C. That C letter talks about you ordered item, you cancelled item. What are all cancelled item? They are representing with the C letter. They're representing with what exactly? Nice analysis. You can walk through. That's what I told. On an average, I have explained minimum to maximum 10 to, not 10 to, sir, minimum 80 to 70 cells actually. If I get a time, I can do more than 500 cells also. More than 500 scenarios we can execute actually. Up to you, understand the data. Then more to the next discussion. Like this, sir. DF dot what exactly? Why I'm showing, you know, we are discussing real time. Please trust me. That's what actually. Are you getting or not? I hope you know these are all stuff actually. Let's move on. Here and there, if you feel or if you are able to see some new method, make a note. Don't worry. Make a note. Don't worry. Line by line, you need to execute actually. Line by line, you need to execute. Then you will get a nice clarity actually. If you want, I will one day I will show you how to take the Keglu project and how to execute actually. Are you getting? Please, I have shared the link actually. You guys need to work on this one. Come on, quickly. Yeah, we know these are all study time and GPA. Very quickly. Next one, study time and GPA. And this is the Y value. That is X value. X of I. Next one is Y of I. X of I. What is the diagram name is called as a nice scatter plot actually. See, you don't need to draw manually. You can simply call a scatter plot. You can simply call a one function, you know, yeah, scatter actually. Then there you can apply X value and Y value. Are you getting? Do one thing, create a X is a list and Y is a list. Then you can get a nice diagram, sir. You can get what exactly? Nice diagram. Then regression line. Our motto will be, I just wanted to, yeah, till here correlation done. What done actually? Correlation. But my motto will be, I just wanted to draw a line over the data. I just wanted to draw a line. What exactly? Where you can draw, you know, if the data having relationship, if two variables are X and Y are related, then drawing a line is a meaningful. Assuming that there is no relationship, sir. Like here, one point, there is no relationship means correlation value is what exactly? Yeah, their writing line is useless actually. I mean, we no need to write. Are you getting? Good. Let's move on. Kindly please walk through. These are all I explained actually. And now the next one will be we are trying to, you know, getting the b0 value and b1 value. Absolutely fine. And what is our value? Correlation means what is the value? 0.9. Yeah, during interview, damn sure interview question, talk with me and explain what is a correlation value means. We have to tell in between -1 to +1. Keep in mind that if anybody say correlation 2 actually, you have to look at him top to bottom. Okay, yeah, we got it. These are all fine. Then now indirectly, let me talk with you. For the given data, math have given the formula. For the given data, math have given what exactly? Formula. If you apply math over the data, math will bring the formulas. Math will bring what exactly? Formulas actually. Keep in mind that. Same definition I will explain during machine learning. Don't worry. Now, next topic name is a R squared. What is the next topic name? Very simple. Very simple. And first of all, let me explain. First of all, what is R value? Correlation. What is the R squared value? You know, just a square, right? Okay, good. Now, let me tell you. First one is correlation, representing with the R value, representing with what exactly? R value. By using this, we can we can recognize the relation between what exactly, sir? Two variables. Can I say that one? Two variables. That variables can be either area or rice packets or hour or study time. I'm sorry, sir. Study time and what exactly? GPA score. These are all things actually. Good. Now, next topic name is a R squared. Sir, damn sure interview question. The topic name is what exactly? R squared actually. Hold on. I will tell the definition. Hold on. Let me show you practically. Very easy. Look at my screen. Look at my screen. Good. Please focus on this one. Sir, take this diagram. Take this diagram. Yeah. What are all blue dot we do have? Those values are called as a actual values. Those values are called as what exactly? Actual value. What are all yellow dot is called as a predicted value. Predicted value in the sense we have draw a regression line. Over that regression line, all these dots came actually. Am I right or not? Now, can somebody talk with me? This dot is called as what exactly? Actual line. This dot is called as a predicted line. And this dot is called as a predicted. This one is called as a. Now, R squared will explain how near actual value and predicted value. I'm repeating again. R squared value is going to helpful for us. How near, how much near, either this value and this value near, very near or not. Now, move on to the next scenario. You talk with me. Yeah, R squared value. Hold on. Now, yes, hold on. Hold on. Now you talk with me. Is it near or very far, sir? Talk with me, sir. For value, actually, right? Now, next scenario will be R value and actual, I mean, predicted value and actual value almost fitting with the same line, actually. Almost fitting with what exactly? Same line. Now, what you need to understand, go back. One point you need to understand. That point will be, sir, R value minus 1 to plus 1. R value minus 1 to what exactly? Plus 1. The values are minus 1 to plus 1. Minus 1 to what exactly? Plus 1. R squared value 0 to 1. R squared value is what exactly? 0 to 1 actually. Please, I will repeat one more time. What is R squared value? 0 to 1. Now, by using correlation or R value, you can find is the two variables having the relationship or not actually. Is the two variables having what exactly? Relationship or not actually. Very good. Now, what do you mean by that, Daniel? It's a very simple, sir. You do one thing. Take a x-axis and y-axis. Take what exactly? X-axis and y-axis. And then you can draw a data points like this actually. Very good. Here is a one data point. Here is another data point. Here is another data point. Here is another data point. Total 4 data points. Am I right? Good. Now, can I draw a line over the data? Can I draw a line over the data? Yes, you can draw. This line is called as a regression line. Now, can I say, sir, this is the actual data, but this data point is called as a predicted data point. That data point is called as what exactly? Yeah, this is actual data. This data point is called as a predicted. This is actual. This is called as a predicted. Now, if you wanted to find how far it is, actual data and predicted data, a small distance, it is okay. And this one also small distance. This one also small distance. This one also small distance. If you wanted to calculate that one, then you have to go for R squared value. You have to go for what exactly? R squared value. I mean to say that, what I mean to say, best example. Let us take a cricket score, sir. What score actually? cricket score actually. On an average 50 overs. How much overs? 50 overs. My prediction will be something like a 290. My prediction will be something like what exactly? First of all, you know cricket, right? If anyone don't know, call me, sir. Yeah, I will explain actually. Yeah, good. Now this is my prediction. This is what exactly my prediction. And at exactly 9 p.m. match done. Match what exactly? Done actually. Once match done, we'll get a actual score. We'll get what exactly? Actual score. Now talk with me 300. Now can I say what is the difference actually? What is the difference? 10 exactly. Can I say the predicted score and actual score is somewhat near actually? Am I right or not, sir? Very good. This is the scenario number one. This is what exactly? Scenario number one. Take another scenario. Take what exactly? Another scenario. I done prediction will be 500, sir. I done prediction will be what exactly? 500 actually. Actual score is at 200. Now, what is the difference? When I say my prediction, immediately you can think, first of all, do you know cricket or not? Am I right or not, sir? Yeah, good. Keep in mind that R squared value is helping us how far actual value and what exactly predicted value. Are you with me? Good. Now, let me tell you what value actually? R squared value. Sir, whenever you are calculating R squared value, if you are getting the result as a zero, if you are getting result as what exactly? Zero. Sir, you know what? Actual value and the predictive value are very far. Very what exactly? Far actually. There is a lot of distance. Exactly like this actual. There is a lot of distance. This value and this value. There is no comparison. Asal polike ledu actual. Am I right or not? Good. Now, scenario number one. Whenever you are calculating R squared value, if you are getting R squared value somewhat a 0.9, somewhat what exactly? 0.9. Sir, very near. What is that one? Very near actually. Are you getting? Good. Next, let me take one more scenario. What is that scenario? This is scenario number two. I will explain one more time. Scenario number three. Scenario number what exactly? Three actually. Good. I predicted score will be exactly 299. What is the score actually? 299. What is the actual score? 300. Now, what is the difference? Sir, can I say almost I touch the right prediction? Yeah. Then in this scenario, you will get what exactly? This I explain. 1 minute. 0 means very far. 0.9 is very near actually. Now, if you are getting value will be 1, sir, what I can say, little difference, that's it actually, very small difference. Am I right or not? Now look at the diagram, you can easy to understand. Actual value and predicted value. Now R squared value, what is the value? 0.9. If I say 0.9, can I say actual value and predicted value are somewhat very near actually? Very good. Now if R square equals to 0.9, we can say that actual value and predicted value are somewhat very near. Means you done really nice prediction. Here, this predicted line is really very good line. Indirectly, this predicted line, regression line is very good line. You draw nice line actually. Move on to the next one. Now just have to say, here is actual data point. Here is a predicted data point. Here is actual data point. Here is a predicted data point. Then what is our value? 0.07. I mean to say that, assuming that x-axis value would have, y-axis values would have, then we can calculate R squared value. We can calculate what value? If R squared value is 0.07, then you can imagine this kind of diagram. You can imagine what exactly? This kind of, assuming that in north, 4 houses are available. In south, 3 houses are available. Then exactly at middle point, somebody started demote actually. Frankly speaking, there is no use, sir. There is no use actually. But can I say this is really better usage actually? Yeah, good. Now move on to the next one. Very good. For every house, one dim or something like this. Am I right or not, sir? Yeah. What is the value here? One value. Now, damn sure interview question. What is the damn sure interview question? Talk with me. What is the R values? Tell me, sir. I will cry. -1 to +1, please. Next one. R squared value. Yeah. During interview, they will ask this question first, actually. Yeah. 0 to what exactly? +1. 0 to what exactly? +1, actually. Good. R value helpful for us to find out the correlation or else a relation between two variables actually. And R squared value will helpful for us distance between actual value and predicted value. Distance between actual value and what exactly? Predicted value. Good. R value is helping to find the relation between two variables. What exactly? Two variables. The next one, R squared value is helping to find the distance between actual value and predicted value. That's it. If you understand that one, then I'm sure you got my point actually. I hope you are getting, sir. Am I right? Good. And it's okay. Practical, I will prove you. I will prove these are all things practically. As of now, kindly please follow. I'm saying machine learning, right? Very simple. Machine learning. What is a machine learning? Model equals to linear regression. This is called as a algorithm we created. What we created actually? Now I have a question, get ready. What is this one? That's it. Done actually. I can shut down my laptop, right? Yeah, keep in mind, very easy, sir. Though you already very good in Python, learning machine learning is a very easy actually. This is one algorithm. This is one algorithm. Yeah. R value 0.94, R squared value 0.88 actually. You can kindly please walk through. That's it. I would like to say this chapter we done. Next chapter name is called as a residual. What is the next chapter name? Residual. The topic name is called as what exactly? Residual. Just a 2 minutes discussion. You will understand the topic actually. You will understand the topic. Very simple. What do you mean by residual? Difference between actual value and predicted value. Yeah, same thing like R squared. Same thing like what exactly? R squared actually. Let me repeat again. Residual means it's called as a error. It's called as what exactly? Error actually. It explains about how far the distance between predicted value and what exactly, sir? Actual value. Good. It basically tells the error in a prediction. It basically tells what exactly? Error in a. I mean to say that. Go back. Now here you need to understand. Assuming that I'm telling R squared value is, I'm telling somewhat 0.9. Then indirectly you will understand values are very near. Values are what exactly? Very near actually. Values are what exactly? Very near. But if you wanted to know how much near, then you need to go for residual topic. What topic actually? Residual. Are you getting? Repeating again. You calculated R squared value, sir. You calculated what exactly? R squared value. Then R squared value you got at 0.9. Then our imagination will be, boss, actual value, predicted value are near. Actual value and predicted values are what exactly? Near. If you wanted to know how much near, then go for residual. Go for what exactly? These are all interconnected. The topics will be interconnected actually. It's a very simple. I'm telling something like a metro station is very near for me. Then if you wanted to know how much near, what is the topic actually? Residual. Did you understand? Good. It explains about how far the distance in between the predicted value and actual value. Predicted value and what exactly? Actual value. Hold on. Let me give a nice explanation. Always go for the cricket match. Total 50 overs, sir. Total what exactly? 50 overs. Please focus. Very, very important. Scenario number one. Scenario number one. Scenario number one. Good. I would like to say, here is a predicted actually. Here is actual. Let us just try to take first one is actual. It is okay. Anything you can take. Otherwise, later you can apply absolute value actually. Next one, let us just try to take a residual value. What value? Residual value. Scenario number one. Next one is a scenario number two. Next one is scenario number three. Good. Sir, I just total how many overs? Talk with me. 50 actually. Good. Then initially I done the prediction. My prediction will be somewhat 500 actual. First prediction. What is the prediction? 500. Actual score is the 300. Actual score is what exactly? 300. You talk with me. What is the residual value? 200. What is the residual value? Yeah, this 200 is called as a residual. Sir, this residual also, I mean, that residual also having another name. That name is called as a error. That name is also called as what exactly? Man, I done prediction. But in my prediction having what is that one actually? Error. Some mistake is there actually. Are you getting? Good. Now the next one. I done prediction. My prediction will be somewhat 330. My prediction will be somewhat what exactly? 330 actually. Then can some, yeah, you may think like 300 minus 500 minus 200, something like that, right? Apply absolute. You know, right, how to apply absolute actually. Good. Now assuming that the prediction score will be 300. Prediction score will be what exactly? 300. Talk with me, what is error value? Talk with me, sir. 30 actually. Very good. Now I done prediction. I done what exactly? Prediction 301, and actual result is a 300. You do let me know what is the error actually. One. Now important. In my first prediction, what is error value? 200. In my second prediction, what is error value? 30. Last prediction, what is error value? Good. Keep in mind that where there is a small error, your prediction is really good actually. Did you understand? I'm repeating. Where there is a small residual value, then you can do nice prediction. Where there is a big residual value, you done worst prediction actually. You done what exactly? Worst prediction. Did you understand? Good. Hold on. Let me take one more scenario. Area. Rice packs. Good. Talk with me. 1, 10, 2, 20, 3, 30, 4, 40. I would like to say, please look at my screen. This call is a actual value. This call is what exactly? Let us do the prediction. Let us do what exactly? Prediction. And we can find out the residual value. We can find out what exactly? Residual value. Now suddenly one person came and he's asking, assuming that in my village, I went to first home, and I asked, hello boss, bye bye, how much acre you do have? He's telling I have 1 acre. Then he is telling 10 rice packets I used to earn actual. I used to earn. Then 10, 2 to 20, 3 to 30, 4 to 40. Then here this person is telling there is one more person. He's having 5 acres land actually. He's asking what exactly? But this person is telling I don't know how much I don't know how much rice packets he is going to get. Sir, then can we do prediction? Can we do what exactly? Prediction. I done prediction on an average 65. What prediction I done actually? 65. Then exactly I meet the person who is having 5 acres land, and he told exactly 50. He told exactly what exactly? Then talk with me. What is error? What is error? 15. Very good. I hope you understand. Are you getting your one? I mean to say that definitely, sir, let me tell you, residual value can be available either 200 big residual. I would like to say this is big value actually. This is the big value, and even this is okay. Average error actually, and this is what exactly? Small error. This is what exactly? Small error. What you need to understand, where there is a small residual, there really good prediction. There is really what exactly? Very good prediction. Very good prediction actually. Can I say that one? Talk with me, sir. And this is good. And this is what exactly? You have to tell that word. What is that one? Worst, sir. Worst actual. I would like to say. Okay. I hope you understand. Am I right? Yeah. Let me tell you, sir. Whenever you are getting minus, then you need to apply absolute actually. You need to apply absolute. Absolute ni. Yeah. Module is something like that actually. When you applied absolute, what happens? We'll get always positive. We'll get always what exactly? Nice question. Sir, assuming that here, as per the discussion, actual minus predicted, right? 300 minus 500. 300 minus 500. What is the score here actually? Minus 200. Then back end, it's supposed to apply absolute value. What value? Can I tell one beauty actually? Automatically, machine learning algorithm takes care of these are all stuff. All math of what I'm explaining, just for your fundamentals. You no need to apply math anywhere. If you create object like this actually, where is that object, sir? Then automatically this algorithm takes care about these are all stuff, man. That's the beauty. Because we are the programmers. We are what exactly? Tell me, sir. Yeah, yeah, good. Uttam Kumar Das. Can you done one example, sir? Just now I'm seeing your question. Now the time 6:20 you asked actually. Now the time is 6:40. Please do let me know. Are you asking scatter plot example? Now let me walk through one by one. Sir, this I'm going to cover in machine learning, maybe almost. This you guys need to do assignment actually. Matrix anyway, we'll see. Matrix won't take much time, 5 to 10 minutes topic. Let me read the theory. Residual. It will explain about the difference between predicted value and actual value, also called as a difference between actual value and predicted value. Just try to see. Residual equals to actual value minus what exactly? Tell me, sir. Predicted value. Good. Residual. This is original value minus predicted value. Still, if you want, I can give a small example. Before you are joining the course, you are having nice prediction. The course fees can be somewhat 20,000. Somewhat what exactly? 20,000. Once you came to Naireshati, you came across what is the original fees actually? Okay, some fees. I'm sorry, right? Then you can find out the difference between actual value and predicted value. You will get what value actually? Residual. Am I right or not, sir? Good. I can tell one point simple actually. Residual means error. Let me tell you mistakes in human being. Initially, let me talk, sir. In my childhood, per day I used to do 100 mistakes actually. I'm a naughty guy. I was a naughty guy actually. How many mistakes? 100 actually. Now, in olden days, lot of mistakes, but nowadays it actually at least one or two, sir. What is that one actually? Minimum. Some, when my mother called, she told exactly, have you done lunch actually? Even if I'm not done lunch, what I need to tell? Otherwise, gone case actually. She will come directly, book a flight ticket, and she will beat and she will go actually. Something like that. Small, sir. Good. Conclusion of the story. Error, it can be small. Error, it can be bigger error value actually. Where there is a small error, look at me. Where there is a small error, there good prediction. There what exactly? Good prediction. Where there is a big error, no, wrong prediction. Worst prediction actually. What is that one? Worst prediction. Good. That word you are pronouncing very nicely actually. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. From the previous example, study time on x-axis and study time on GP and y-axis. Yeah, seriously super. Nice analogy. 644. Yeah, good. Look at me. Can I say this is the actual value? Talk with me, sir. This is predicted value. Very good. Residual equals to y minus y cap. Am I right? Y minus what exactly? Y cap. This y, how you can get it out actually? X comma y value. Am I right? Good. Now just try to come here. X comma y. What is x value and what is the y value? Yeah, x value and y value you can do. X value is a 5, y value is a 3.5. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, 5 comma 3.5. Here, what y value will become? Talk with me, sir. Yeah, this is the x value. This is what exactly? Y value. Now take this y value and here you can substitute actually. Am I right or not? Are you getting? Go back. If you guys are not focusing, please, sir. I'm requesting. Good. Topic name is a residual. What is the topic name? If you wanted to understand residual, you should know correlation. You should know regression line. Yes, exactly. We know correlation and over the data, we plotted the regression line. Bus. Then move on here actually. I would like to say, this is actual data point. This is prediction line data point. I mean to say that this is the actual data. So definitely your prediction having some near to the value. Am I right or not? Good. Yeah. I would like to say actual value. Next one is what exactly? Predicted value. Move on to the next one. This point, residual. What is the formula? Y minus y cap. First of all, try to understand what is the y value. If you wanted to understand what is the y value, this is the actual value, this is the predicted. Now x comma y, try to find out. X comma y. What is x value? 5. And what is the y value? 3.5. Then exactly we got a 3.5. Now where are all y is available? Here what I need to write actually? Nice. Then what is the next one? Y cap. Just try to see y cap actually. Yeah. The y cap value means, can I say this data point actually? Am I right or not, sir? Good. Here x comma y. Am I right? X comma y. I'm sorry, man. Yeah, exactly. 5 comma 3. Very good. Then y cap value, what is the value? 3. Now you talk with me. 3.5 minus y cap. What is the value? Yeah, 3 actually. Then what is the error value? Tell me. Now can I say small error only? Distance is what exactly? Small actually. Distance is what exactly? Small. Now let me repeat one more time. Residual value, what is the value? 0.5. If you get residual value as a positive, if you get residual as a positive, then keep in mind that one thumb rule I am telling, actual value is always above the predicted value. Actual value is the top actually. Predicted value is what exactly? Bottom. That you need to remember actually. Are you getting? Good. This I will repeat one more time. Let us move on to the next one. Yeah, residual is what exactly, sir? 0.5. Somewhat small value only. Move on to the next one. Let us just try to find out here. Previously, we got positive residual. Previously, we got what residual? Positive residual. Now, let us just try to apply here. This value is 2.15. This value is, sir, it's too difficult to tell what exactly the y value. What exactly the y cap value. Am I right or not? Then to recognize this y cap value, bring the formula. Bring what exactly? Formula. What is the formula? Y bar equals to, or else y cap equals to, tell me, b0 plus b1 into x. Substitute that one. Good. I hope you understand. Exactly. I mean to say that this topic depends upon previous topic actually. Yeah. You can get y cap value. Very nice. You got 2.072. Then you can apply residual. Residual equals to y minus y cap. What is the y value? 1.5. What is the y cap value? 2.072. Then residual value is what exactly? Can I say negative? Can I say what exactly, sir? Negative. You keep in mind that one point will be, whenever you are calculating, if residual value is the positive, then actual value is always top of predicted value. Actual value is always what exactly? Top of predicted value. Are you getting? Good. Whenever you are calculating residual value, if you are getting negative value, actual value is always below the predicted value. I mean, over the graph actually. Or what exactly? Graph actually. Are you getting? Good. This no one will not ask. Why positive value? Why negative value? No one will not ask actually. If you want, I will give a small clarity. If you are getting residual value as a positive, if you are getting residual value is what exactly? Positive. Then over the regression line, always the actual value is above actual. Actual value is what exactly? Above the regression line. Actual value is what exactly? Below the regression line. Keep in mind that. That's it. If you understand that one, we can close. Here I have given. A negative residual value means it falls the below the regression line. It falls what exactly? Yeah. A positive residual value means it actual value located into what exactly? Above the regression line. That's it. The topic name is called as a residual. What is the topic name? A residual also called as a error. Also called as what exactly? Error. Residual formula. Tell me, actual value minus predicted value. Did you understand? If you wanted to understand residual, you should know correlation. You should know regression line. You should know what exactly? Regression. This is the math actually. If anyone didn't connect it, don't worry. During machine learning, just to will create one object actually. These are all things it will be done automatically. We no need to write not even single formula actually. Did you upload that material? Let me upload the material. Yeah. 7 I uploaded, I guess. Tomorrow is the last topic for the maths actually. Tomorrow we are going to start feature engineering. Tomorrow we are going to start what topic actually? Feature engineering. Then tomorrow onwards, coding is going to start. Very easy. Are you ready? Yeah, it's very simple. Yeah. So two more topics would you have. One topic, this is not required for you, but anyway, during machine learning, I can cover these topics, sir. Normal distribution, bell shape curve, few more topics would you have actually. Residual matrix, man, 5 to 10 minutes actually. 5 to 10 minutes. All right. We done for today's session. Don't miss tomorrow's session. Tomorrow we are going to start feature engineering. Feature engineering takes exactly 2 sessions. How many sessions? 2 sessions. Then tomorrow, day after tomorrow, Friday we are going to start machine learning. Friday we are going to start what exactly? Machine learning. We'll see. I don't know either Friday is holiday or not actually, but let me tell you, Naresh IT never give holiday. I mean, simply they will not give holiday actually. Even if they give holiday, they will ask to take a session on Sunday actually. Take session on what exactly? Sunday. We'll see. We'll see. Are you getting? I'm not sure either Friday is holiday or not actually. Okay. Maybe if you guys are telling Friday is a Sivaratri, something like that. I don't know, sir. Maybe I can update you accordingly. All right. We done for today's session. Please take care. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.